Time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
Last time we got together, we were talking about the Angelina Jolie-Brad Pitt divorce.
Yes.
And I think we were both a little surprised to find out it's still dragging on.
Yep.
Wait, is this really uncommon, very odd to have it go this way or this long?
I mean, listen, if something's pending for years, that's uncommon. For maybe a year, not necessarily, depending upon the complexities of the cases.
Okay.
But as I said before, let's go back to what I was suggesting earlier. I mean, I don't want clients, if you're in the midst of a divorce right now, don't focus necessarily on the time frames. Focus on the progress being made, milestones that you've reached over the spans of time. So if your case is pending for a year and you still don't know what the other side's income is and you still don't have any information on the retirement plans or the value of the house or, how you're going to resolve custody and visitation with your children and your case has been pending a year, that's a problem. As I said before, for us, within the first few days, maximally in the first week or two, you'll get a letter from us as soon as we're hired saying this is all of the information we'll need throughout pretty much the entirety of your case to get it resolved. We give you a lot of information up front. It can be a daunting task. It can be somewhat challenging. And a lot of people call and say, oh, my God, this is so much information you're asking for. But look, we want to prepare you right out of the gate for what we're going to be looking for. It may take you some time to get it together. That process should happen within the first 30 days, no matter who you hire, if they're handling it the right way. And then the next step after that would be to gather information from the other side. I always say to clients, we pursue as many levels of investigation with your divorce case as you believe are necessary to feel comfortable to reach a reliable, comprehensive resolution of your matter. So if you say to me, Dennis, I don't know what's in the retirement plans. I don't know what's in the stock accounts. I don't have those documents. Then I say, okay, we need to minimally get a net worth statement from them and presumably some copies of statements as well. And that next step of the process should take maybe another 30 days or 60 days or so, depending upon the complexities of the case and depending upon how long it takes people to gather that information and fill out the net worth statement and return it to their attorneys. So again, if your divorce case is pending for years and none of this stuff has been done, then there's a problem. It should be done within the first couple of months. That really should be, in my mind, a maximum time frame.
To find out more about Dennis and his firm, there's so much more to find out, too. Visit that website.
Yeah, please. There's a lot of information there. If you have any questions about the divorce process, there's a wealth of information, drvetranolaw.com.
Thank you, Dennis.
Thank you, Joe.